Hey there! Today, I want to introduce you to a platform where you can use VO3. Take a look at these videos.
Success always comes at a price.
Getting rich means losing something you'll never get back.
I'd be happy if you liked my video and subscribe to Desire's channel.
Let's get started. First, we'll search for Videomaker Me on Google. Click on the first result to enter the site. Once you're in, this is the user interface you'll see. To begin, click the Get Started button on the top right. Then, log in with one of your Gmail accounts. After you've logged in, click Start Creating for free.
Have you experienced VO3 text-to-video on videomaker.me?
Of course! I turned my coffee rant into a film noir drama.
Have you experienced...
This will take you to this page. As you can see, a pre-made video with sound is already here. In this section, we'll write our prompt. I'll use Chat GPT to help me with that. Let's go back to Google and search for Chat GPT. Click on the first option and enter the Chat GPT page. Now, I'll make this request. Write me a prompt for an 8-second video. A man in black with a hat and a cape in a cemetery says a dark sentence about success. Then, I'll hit Generate and wait for the prompt to be written. Once it's ready, I'll copy it and go back to the Videomaker Me site. I'll paste the prompt here. As you can see, we can't use the quality option, so we'll stick with fast. Also, only the 16:9 aspect ratio is available. To use other sizes, we need to purchase a premium subscription. The video will be 8 seconds long and come with music and sound. We can't remove the watermark either. Now, I'll click Generate. As it shows here, it gives us 3 minutes to create the video, but it usually takes less, around a minute. The video is ready. Let's watch it together and see how it turned out.
Success always comes at a price. Success always comes at a price.
As you can see at the bottom, my credits have run out. To create another video, I'll have to log in with a different Gmail account. I'll use my other Gmail account to sign in. If you have another Gmail, use that. Otherwise, you can use temporary Gmail generator sites, which I've shown you how to do in this video. After logging in with a new Gmail, I'll head back to ChatGPT. This time, I'll make a different request. Write me a prompt for an 8-second video. A man stands in a penthouse, looks out over New York City, and says a dark line about getting rich. After writing my prompt, I'll click Generate. I'll wait for the prompt to be written, then I'll copy it and return to the site. I'll paste it here and click Generate again, waiting for my video to be created. It made the video really fast. Let's go see what it looks like.
Getting rich means losing something you'll never get back. Getting rich means losing something you'll never get back. Getting rich means losing something.
Now, I want to create one more video, so I'll sign out of my account again. I'll log in with another email. As I mentioned, you can use temporary Gmail sites. After logging in with a new email, I'll go back to ChatGPT. This time, I'll make this request. Write me a prompt for an 8-second video. A handsome man sits in a studio behind a microphone and says, "I'd be happy if you like my video and subscribe to Desire's channel." Once I've written my request, I'll click Generate and wait for the prompt to be written. When the prompt is ready, I'll copy it and go back to the site. This time, I want to use the image to video feature. I'll click on Image to Video at the top and upload my picture. I'll use a picture of myself. I'll wait for the picture to upload. Once it's uploaded, I'll go to the prompt section and paste the text that ChatGPT wrote for me. I'll leave everything as is and click Generate. Now, I'll wait for the video to be created. Our video is ready. Let's see how it turned out.
I'd be happy if you liked my video and subscribe to Desire's channel. I'd be happy if you liked my video and subscribe to Desire's channel.
I'll download and save it from here. Alright, my friends, that brings us to the end of this tutorial. If you found this video helpful and enjoyed it, I'd be thrilled if you liked it and subscribed to my channel. Until the next video, take care of yourselves and goodbye.
Success always comes at a price.
Getting rich means losing something you'll never get back.
I'd be happy if you liked my video and subscribe to Desire's channel.